Hey, Kimberly here with R&R Sales, home of the guaranteed credit approval. Come on down. Take a look at the 2008 Jeep Liberty 4-wheel drive, 3.7 liter. Certified, pre-owned, has gone through a 115-point safety inspection, and comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. Automatic transmission, power windows, power locks, dual power seats, AM/FM stereo, CD player, satellite radio, steering wheel mounted controls, also has cruise control. The back seats will lay down to give you lots of cargo space inside. And this also has a sunroof and a roof rack. R&R Sales Incorporated is a member of Credit Union Direct Lending and can offer low interest rates and reasonable payments to well-qualified buyers. We also have guaranteed credit approval for any credit situation. So if we can't get you guaranteed credit approval, we'll buy you a steak or vegetarian dinner. R&R Sales Incorporated has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, so buy with confidence. See this vehicle and hundreds more at www.yeswecanauto.com or call toll-free 877-857-CARS to speak with one of our low-pressure sales staff.